Whether you are defining a new garden space or refreshing an existing one, proper edging can make a world of difference. Welcome to MG Factor. We will cover the tools you need, the best techniques to achieve crisp edges, and tips for maintaining them throughout the season. Perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. This guide will help you elevate your garden experience with ease. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the gardening tips. Use the right tools. Invest in a good quality garden edging tool, such as a half moon edger, spade, or manual lawn edger, to create a clean and precise edge. Mark the edge line. Use a garden hose, string, or spray paint to outline the desired shape of your garden bed before you start digging. This ensures a consistent and visually appealing edge. Dig down at least 4 to 6 inches to create a distinct separation between the lawn and the garden bed. This depth helps prevent grass and weeds from encroaching into the garden beds. Regular maintenance is important. Maintain the edge regularly by trimming and recutting as needed, especially after heavy rains or the growing season. Angle the cut slightly away from the garden bed towards the lawn to create a defined trench. This prevents soil and mulch from spilling into the lawn. Don't rush the process. Take your time to create a precise edge. Rushing can result in uneven or crooked lines that detract from the garden's appearance. Don't overlook safety. Wear gloves, sturdy shoes, and protective eyewear to avoid injuries while digging and cutting. Don't forget to mulch. After edging, apply mulch to the garden bed to help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and enhance the visual contrast between the lawn and the bed. Don't use a lawn mower for edging. While it might seem quick, using a lawn mower for edging can lead to uneven cuts and potentially damage your lawn or garden bed. Don't neglect weeding. Ensure the area is weed free before you start edging to avoid having to redo the edge after removing weeds later. Following these do's and don'ts will help you achieve a clean, professional looking garden bed edge that enhances the overall appearance of your landscape. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide on edging a garden bed helps you create a clean, professional looking landscape in your yard. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardeners. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, DIY projects, and outdoor inspiration. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Happy gardening. Thanks for watching MG Factor. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.